morning, everybody. I am so excited for today's video. The weather in LA has been so beautiful. It's really starting to feel like spring and summer, and this is my favorite time of year. I love when the sun is out. I love warmth. I love when like roses start to bloom, and that's been happening, and I'm so happy. While I make my matcha, I want to talk you through today's video, which I'm really excited about. I really wanted to make a video on my YouTube channel that motivated me to do something that I've been putting off, but also could potentially motivate somebody watching. And I think that this video really does that today. There is going to be another part to this video, so next week you will get part 2. But we are doing a major spring cleaning. I hope this motivates you. I hope it makes you go through your cupboards and your shit and get rid of stuff and spring clean with me, because it was a lot of work and I actually pulled a muscle in my back and I've been on recovery mode for 3 days. So please do this carefully. Don't like lift heavy trash bags and wear your body out while you're doing this like I did. I am going through each section of my house and like seriously decluttering and getting rid of stuff. I feel like the only time I've ever done this is when I'm moving homes. Today, I'm just really excited because you guys are going to organize my kitchen with me, and I got rid of so much stuff. And then we also do the bathroom in the primary room of the house. I really do believe a clean and clear space is a clean and clear mind, and yeah. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy this week's video, and if you do, please comment, let me know you guys liked it, and I will see you next week. Hello everyone. I'm moving us to the kitchen. Organizing my kitchen is long overdue. Things are misplaced. I've been putting this off for months, so today's the day. We're doing it. So step 1 into doing this successfully, put on your comfiest clothing. I think that's very important. Apparently I say important weird. I say important. I feel like we should start with the section I'm dreading the most, which is the pantry, because let me just show you. What it looked like. Hold on. Okay, I accidentally did the top shelf. I'm not really sure what this area is, but it needs help. I don't know what's wrong with me and why I have so many appliances. I'm definitely extremely overwhelmed, but it'll be fine. I guess for starters, I'm gonna put donation stuff on. I definitely don't think I need 2 rice cookers. Okay, I mean, there's nothing really special about this, just stuff I don't really use is at the back. And then it looks like this. I think I should either install a shelf. Like, this is such a waste of space. I either should get like a unit that Has more stuff for the pantry. Probably get something that stands, like a table over this, and then have some like drawers. Do you know what I mean? That's that. Okay, next up are these ones. This isn't that messy. I'm getting a little bit bored of doing this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna push through. This is kind of empty, it's just my air fryer. It's this drawer, which honestly is not that messy, so I don't think it will be that hard. Okay, we're doing a really fun drawer. It's the dog drawer. It needs a lot of work. Okay, these drawers, they need some love. This is what they look like. This is before, this is after. I just got a package from a source unknown. I know I got some good pieces, so I wanted to do a little haul. Oh yeah, I got a simple black turtleneck top. The jacket's kind of like high neck and then big shoulders. And it's a blazer. Ooh, I'm so excited, I forgot about this. So I've been really looking for like a big black trench. This one was really massive and cool. I just got this oversized top. Isn't he so cute? It's ridiculous. It's a new day. I'm cleaning my bathroom. I haven't looked or touched this since I moved in here, which was almost a year ago. I feel so much better after cleaning my kitchen yesterday that I'm going to work in sections. So kitchen was complete. Today we're doing the bathroom. Eventually we're gonna have to do the closet and this room, but that seems scary and overwhelming. I think something to keep in mind is I just need to be okay with donating a lot of stuff. I need to be okay with throwing out some stuff if it's like old and I can't donate it, because I don't need 30 self-tanners. Like, I have a drawer dedicated to self-tanners. I barely self-tan. Like, I probably need 2 bottles at most, you know what I mean? So there's just a lot of excess going on. I'm going to take my stuff out. I went into the beauty room and I took a bunch of stuff out, as we can see. Because I was like, I might as well have hair stuff all in one place, and then if I want stuff in there, I can like make a small basket. But now I'm overwhelmed and I don't really know what I'm doing. So this should be interesting. Waited till the end to show you, but we did it. It looks really, really good. So in the first drawer, I just did hair products, brushes, Dyson. And then in here, I just did like clips and hair stuff. And then randomly did tampons at the end. Under the sink, this has like nothing. It has some nail product and toothpaste, toothbrush, and these little things so you don't get water when you wash your face like all over your shirt. And then here I did And then you can see some perfume and like body product. Under this sink, the basket just has self-tan, little towel. This is all the skincare I'm keeping. I tried to do it in order, like face washes and then creams and stuff, but it is what it is. And then in this drawer, it's just that. Perfume, some face stuff I use. I'm impressed with myself, I'm not gonna lie. It all makes sense in my head, it feels organized. Pat on the back. I forgot to say goodbye, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. I hope you enjoyed this video, this kind of like vlog reorganization type of thing. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.